Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel and subscribe, hit that like button and blah blah blah. Okay, and comment down below what other videos you want to see. And I'm gonna be making a weird video today. It's gonna be a how to draw video, okay? And I'm just gonna use a marker so you guys can see better. So we're gonna be drawing birds because this video is how to draw birds. Go away. You ready? Okay. So first what you do is could you see this? You go like a little worm. You see? See that little worm? I should probably flip this over. You do a little worm like that. And then you could do the eye, then the beak, and then the wings. And then don't forget this. Ta-da! A bird. And then this is chicken. You could draw the little rooster tails. And then I'm also going to be showing you guys a bald eagle. You go like that. Like that. Doesn't have to be perfect. Then do the eye. Then the beak. It's like a straight line. And then down. Then kind of like a little tiny diagonal line, and then another line. Then you could do the legs. And now for the duck. A lot of people always say that my duck looks like the duck from oops, I messed up on the beak. I drew the wrong type of beak. Looks like the duck from Don't Let the Pigeon Drive to the Bus.
It's not even a duck, it's a pigeon. Pigeon drive the bus.
See the duck? Oh yeah, pigeon drive the bus, not duck drive the bus. This is a weird video. Subscribe to me, and that's Simone. You can subscribe to her if you want. But if you watch my other videos, they're better, and I upload more often than her. So yeah. I accidentally spit on my paper. Never mind. So now turkey, you go like kind of a circle like that. But once you get to this edge of the circle like that, just do a bunch of little scribbles like that, and then like the same thing for the wing but smaller. And then do the weird little neck. Then circle. Then eye. And I did not get this from a how to draw video. One day I just started drawing chickens. It all started with the chicken, then my drawings started evolving. And then now the ostrich. The long neck, eye, leg, and then it's time for blue jay. Comment down below if you want me to do any other videos. I think I messed up on my blue jay. Yep, I did. But I gotta do this with marker, so I'm not gonna be able to color it in. So yeah. And then owl, do the circle and then two eyes. And then like a rhombus or a diamond. Then do the little lump. We go down, this. And then the wing, and then owls have really long legs, so the claw, and then After that, what other birds do I draw? Think. I guess that's it, till I could remember. 7 birds. I'm gonna pause the video and look at my drawings, so bye. I'm back with my beautiful picture, and I forgot, oops. Flip that over. Wait. There we go. A basic bird, you go like that, and then you go like that, then you go like that, then you go like that. A lot of times when I'm drawing birds, my friends are like, "What are you drawing?" Because it starts off so weird. Starts off like this. Then, so they think I'm drawing some type of worm or something. I messed up on that really bad. But it turns into a beautiful bird. Bye.